Everybody get mad and like, you want to get mad at some shit. Let's get mad at snoring. You know what I mean? Why the fuck is snoring even a thing, bro? See how some people start laughing because there's some snorers in here. No, listen, I don't understand why snoring even exists. Bro, my body is shaped like a lowercase b. Do you understand me? Look at the stomach, man. And I gotta worry about this shit trying to kill me in my sleep too? And all you sexy women in here, you know who you are. You fucking snore, and your snore don't match your face. Yeah, see how some of you ladies aren't laughing now? Because it's you I'm talking to. You look all sexy when you're awake, but when you fall asleep, you turn into something else. And I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. Tired of you, man. Sexy when they're awake, as soon as they fall asleep at your house. Hey, bitch! Did I feed her after midnight? Why the fuck she sound like that, man? It just gets worse as the night goes on too. You know what? If she don't stop that in 5 minutes, I'm gonna shoot this creature. I don't give a shit. Some women shaking their heads because it's you. Right? Everybody knows a different reaction when a woman wakes up and sees a man snoring for the first time versus when a man wake up and hear a woman snore. It's two different reactions, bro. Listen, a lot of you ladies snore. Don't be embarrassed by the shit. Some of you are. You don't want to fall asleep at nobody's house because you're afraid that you fall asleep, he gonna hear you snore for the first time, and you think that's the deal breaker. Let me tell you how fucked up the male ego is. When men wake up and hear a woman snore for the first time, we think we did that shit. Ask these ladies, ask these fellas, look at these fellas laughing. Ask them. As soon as we wake up and hear you snore, we're like, yo, I fucked the shit out of this girl. Hey! Man, my dick has powers. Didn't even fuck her long. She's out. 1, 2. Hey, this bitch out. Shit. You high five yourself. We call our friends when you're asleep, ladies. Hey, Jeff, listen to this shit in the background. You hear that shit, man? Nigga, I'm not listening to DMX. That's her snoring, man. Yeah, my dick gave her sleep apnea, bro. No mask. Let me call you back, make sure she didn't die. But bruh, when a woman wakes up and hears a man snore, all she can think about is murder. She's so mad because when a man snores, it don't even sound healthy. Sound like there's a health issue. These women spend half the night just staring at the motherfucker. What the fuck, man? How do I kill this motherfucker, man? Put the pillow over his fucking face, man. Cause you know when he's sleeping on his back, his mouth open, oh my God. Can't believe I gave this motherfucker pussy, man. He sound like that, man. Especially when he stopped breathing in the middle of shit. Oh my God. Did my pussy do that? Oh my God. Can't believe I sleep with this guy on a regular basis. Her phone call different. Pam. Hey, you hear this shit in the background? I'm not outside, Pam. Why the fuck would I be mowing my lawn at 3 in the morning, Pam? That's the motherfucker snoring, man. Doctor, he needs a mechanic, something in his throat. Bro, both my parents snore. Both of them, bro. When I was a kid, I used to crawl into bed with my parents when I was a kid. We all did that when we was kids. I was the only kid that ended up back in his room, bro. Bro, between my father's and my mom's I was like, the monster chasing me in my dream don't seem so bad. I'm gonna go back to that dream. You two sound ridiculous.